Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Alright, today we are going to be doing some fried chicken on the grill. Yes, sounds crazy, but it's going to be delicious. Alright, so first things first, we want to get our dry mix going. Now I already started. I got this big bowl here, and I have 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch. That's all I added so far. However, we're going to want to put some more seasoning in there. So, what I'm going to add is some paprika. We are going to go with a teaspoon. Now, if you think a teaspoon's not enough for you, feel free, add more. I'm just doing a teaspoon because I don't think my family's going to be able to, my daughter's going to be able to handle too much heat. All right. So, got a paprika. Next, I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. I'm going to be doing the same thing. A teaspoon. Oh, I can't get this lid off. There we go. Alright, so we're going to do a teaspoon of this. That's maybe about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Alright, we're going to throw that in there. Alright, good stuff. Alright, next, we are going to do a little savory. Got a little rosemary. I'm just going to do a little pinch of rosemary here. Just a little bit. Just want a little pinch. Kind of grinding it up with my fingers as we go. Alright. I got some ground sage. Now I'm just going to put a little, about 2 or 3 little dashes right there. Then last but not least, I'm going to use a little thyme. Now I'm just doing a little pinch, that's it, a little pinch of thyme. All right, ground it up a little bit. All right, so now we got our dry mix all done. This is all I'm adding. Like I said, you want it hotter, go ahead, go heavier with that paprika and the cayenne, knock your socks off. So right now, all I'm going to do is try to mix everything together. I'm going to be putting all the ingredients down below in the description box, so you can use that for a quick reference. I don't know if any of you guys ever tried something like this before. If you guys ever made something like this before, shoot me a comment. Let me know how you made it and what you did differently. All right, that looks pretty good though. I'm happy with that right now. All right, so we're all set with that. Next, we got our wet wash. Now here, I just got 2 eggs. Oh, there we go, 2 eggs. Is that enough? Probably not. Now, if you want, you could add a little buttermilk. Go ahead, add a little milk. Go ahead. You know what I'm doing? I'm going to add about half a cup of water. That's it. That is all I need. Go ahead and get fancy if you want. I'm just going to stir this up really, really good. All right, that looks good. That is good to go. All right, so we got about 6 thighs right here. Now, this is optional. You don't have to. This is what I'm doing though. If I could pull the skin back on any of these, what I'm going to do is I got a little SPG. I'm just going to sprinkle a little SPG in there. That's it. Give a little extra boost. A little extra boost to get loose. Good to go. All right. I'm just going to do a little sprinkle. That's it. A little sprinkle. That's it. I just washed these off. I got a little too much excess water down below. I'm going to just that. All right, sometimes you can't get the skin up. That's all right. Don't go crazy worrying about peeling it up. You don't have to. All right, with this extra right here, I'm just going to throw it right in to my dry mix. All right, guys. So I went ahead. I threw our 6 pieces in the dry. So I'm just going to roll it in here nice. All of them. Got a nice little coating on them. All right. Now, all we're going to do now is bring it over to the wet. Here comes the fun part. All right. Dunk it in. Get a little wash on there. And do one more real fast. All right. Boom. Wet. All right, guys, here's our chicken. It is ready for the grill. I'm going to go get the grill started right now. This is going to turn out really, really good. It's going to be a little heat, a little savory. It's going to be delicious. I'll see you outside. So today I'm cooking indirect. I got all the coals pushed towards the back. If you're cooking on the same type of grill, I'm only doing 1 chimney worth of coals. That's all I need. If you're on a gas grill, just make sure you're cooking indirect, and you want to hit around that 400 range for temperature if you're cooking on a gas grill. Anyway, the sun is setting here. I'm gonna throw this chicken on. I'm just gonna put it on. Alright, guys, so I'm just going to cover it up, let it go. We'll be back probably in about 15 minutes from now. This is probably going to take about 45 minutes, 50 minutes, somewhere around that range. That's my guesstimate, but we'll be back. So about 15 minutes went by so far. Next step, I'm going to use this spray here. This is by Healthy Chef butter flavored cooking spray. Now, all I'm going to do is lightly spray the top. That's going to help crisp everything up very nicely. And that's it. Then we're going to let it cook longer. Alright, guys. So at this point, I'm just going to cover it back up. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to probably check on it in about 20 minutes. Guys, another 15 went by. Losing daylight here. That's alright. We're in at about a half hour right now. At this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip them. So I want to spray that other side too. It's getting some nice color, as you can see. Going to give it a flip, do a little spray, and it's probably going to go for another 15 minutes. So probably in about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to start probing them to make sure we're at that good temperature. We're looking for like 185. All I'm going to do is flip these over back to the top. Oh yeah. Ah, that's looking good. Wow, it smells really good. Smells just like fried chicken. Oh, guys, this is going to be a home run. I can tell you that right now. All right, we're gonna let that go. You guys come on over. I'm cooking. We're gonna have some fried chicken tonight. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna start probing. So I want to see what the temp's at. All right, this one's good. See that? We want to hit at least 185. Noisy motorcycle. All right. All right. So this one needs a little while longer. That one's good. All right, guys. Chicken is done. Look at it. Oh, man. That looks good. What do you think, baby girl?
Good.
It looks good?
Can I have it a piece?
Yeah, you're going to try a piece.
Thank you.
I'm going to have to cut it because it's hot. Woo, that looks good, baby. Listen to the skin. This thing is crisp. Crispy. You hear that, baby?
I like that crispy.
Yeah? All right, hold on.
I want that one.
Hold on, baby girl. Hold on.
But I want the stickies.
Okay.
Take the stickies off.
All right, look at this, man. Look at this. The skin's a home run already. We're going to have to taste it. Right, baby? We're going to have to taste it?
I love the...
Now, we're going to use a fork and knife right now because it's still a little hot. Here. A little piece? Yeah.
I want the crispy on it.
All right, baby. Here.
The crispy.
Is it crispy? Whoa. Look at that. Cheers. Love you.
This is good, Dad.
This is crispy.
Good stuff.
Good stuff? Oh, man. That is good stuff. You're right, baby. I normally don't eat chicken skin, but oh my God. You want to go eat dinner, baby? You hungry?
I love it.
You love it? All right, good stuff. All right, guys. Listen, thanks for checking out the video. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've done this before. How do you like to do it? You know, maybe I need to try something different. But this is, poof. Guys, you got to try this out. This is just so good.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a good one. You say bye-bye?
Bye.
All right.